Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a couple of things just came from Coach. So one of it is the back strap that I got it for my Coach Road 39. This one is the Coach Road 39 in beechwood color, and this is the shoulder strap that came with it. The older Road, they didn't come with a crossbody strap, so I much prefer to carry them as a crossbody style. So previously I tried to match the color by getting this strap from Amazon. The quality was great, but the color just didn't quite match up with my beechwood color. But the hardware does match up though. So I saw this available on Coach website, so I decided to pick it up and see if it would match up better. After all, this is a strap that came from Coach, so wow, they pack it really well. So this is the back strap from Coach with their Coach signature logo canvas. The strap is thicker than I thought, kind of quite chunky actually. It's adjustable. So what do you think? I think it looks like it has better color to match this Coach Road 39, right? Yeah, I think this would work. I'm going to try it on and do some mark shop afterwards. We'll see. Let's continue with another unboxing first. So this is a Coach bag that I purchased directly from Saks Fifth Avenue, because they were sending me, if you subscribe to their newsletter, they occasionally send out like sales news that about discount coupons and stuff like that. So often they would give you coupon that often work with Coach bags. So if you love Coach bag and you want to get a discount on their new bags, I think signing up the newsletter on Saks Fifth Avenue website is a good option. Open up the packaging. Looks good so far. Hopefully everything is good so that I don't have to return it this time. So this is one of the bags that show up on my recent shopping video at the Coach store. It's their Coach Soft Messenger bag, I think, in army green color. Looks good so far. Look like the bag came in factory wrap, maybe, hopefully. Let's see how is the magnet test. Pretty strong. Some slight marking, but not very obvious. I probably can buff it up. Let's Let's look through the outside of it. Looks good. I'll remove all the wrapping and then be back later. So this is how it looks after removing all the wrapping and packaging material. And front is this big Coach signature C logo, and then the magnetic closure. I have to say, so far I think Coach has the best magnetic closure. The one from Dooney and Bird seems kind of weak, and recently I got a bag from Sandro and the magnetic closure wasn't strong either. But Coach seemed to get this down. So I hope it stayed that way. I don't know how long the magnetic closure would last. At the back, you get a zipper pocket. I love bag that has a zipper pocket or slip pocket at the back, because you can easily put your phone here when you want to go look at other stuff. And it has this removable top handle, kind of a decorative handle actually. I love it. And the bag also comes with this crossbody strap. This looks like a nylon crossbody strap. It's not the soft cotton strap that you see with some of the field totes. I'm surprised that Coach changing the strap into the nylon. I don't know, it just feel like nylon strap remind me a lot like those straps that you could buy from Amazon. Even though this is a thicker quality strap, but it's still a kind of nylon strap tend to remind me of these cheaper straps from Amazon. Inside of the bag, this fabric lining that just feels very much like suede, but it's not. I think they are really good at making the fabric microfiber lining that feel like suede, because it's hard to tell if I didn't know the material information. And then inside the bag you have big front pocket, front compartment all the way down, and then you have main compartment at the back as well. Other than that, it has another zipper pocket inside. Zipper is very smooth, the one inside. And then of course, retail bag always come with a dust bag. Not a very big dust bag, but should fit this bag no problem. So the only thing I wish this bag would have like bigger depth on the side, because with this it looks like the main compartment only have like maybe 1.5 inch depth. So other than putting your wallet and some stuff, I don't know. I tend to like to carry my camera. I'm not sure this would fit my camera. I will have to test it out. Other than that, I do like the color a lot. Is this kind of green trending right now? Because I feel like many companies is offering bags that in this color. So far so good. I hope this doesn't scratch easily, because sometimes it's hard to find where the magnetic closure is. It's funny. Yep. So here is today's unboxing. I'm going to try it on and show you how it looks on body. I hope you like today's unboxing, and let me know if you have any question. Thanks, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.